Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact place you want to share. Open Google Maps and type the address or landmark. If it's not listed, press and hold to drop a pin. Once you see the marker, verify the name, street, or the numeric coordinates so you don't share the wrong spot. This step prevents confusion later. Make sure the map zoom level shows surrounding roads or landmarks so recipients can orient themselves quickly before you create the link. Now generate the shareable URL. Tap the place card or pin to reveal details. On mobile, tap Share. On desktop, click the three-dot menu, then Share or Copy Link. Once the Share dialog appears, pick Copy Link to place the URL on your clipboard, or choose an app to send it directly. Google constructs a short, stable link that opens the same coordinates in view. Once copied, you can paste it into messages, calendar invites, or documents for precise directions. Finish by verifying and adding context. Paste the link into a browser or send it to yourself to confirm the map opens to the right spot. This catches accidental pins. Then add a short note, entrance, floor, or parking, so recipients know what to expect. If the link points nearby instead of exact, copy the numeric coordinates from the place card and create a new map pin. You can also use a URL shortener for cleaner sharing. If something fails, re-drop the pin and repeat the share step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.